Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. As usual, let's take a look at the gold market. Well, in the gold market, price behavior is not as bright as in the euro currency, so we don't have here such sort of the patience as in the euro currency. Average head and shoulders on the daily chart. It's really very clear pattern is forming right now. On the gold market, this was also reaction on the recent statistics from the United States, as the gold market mostly is driven by the inflation, and yesterday's data has shown really nice increase in potential inflation. So retail sales has grown up, consumer price index has grown, so everything point on the inflation. That was supportive mostly for the gold market. But at the same time, this upward action was a bit undecided. So as you can see on the daily chart, gold market, it seems like that shows the breakout of the flag, but at the same time it's still forming some inside sessions and still stands inside the range of the first retracement bar. So this first retracement candle. So price has out of the shape of the pattern, but still it hasn't taken off this top yet. That's why it's mostly said that consolidation still stands underway. So maybe today we will get some breakout. So next destination in a short-term perspective will be probably this resistance is 1255 major fib level. This market could reach in the nearest time. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, market mostly has completed our suggestion that probably it should show some another drop before a reversal will happen. That indeed has happened. So market almost has completed butterfly and ABCD patience. Targets hasn't been hit yet. That's not really good, but but in relation to the butterfly, it's no problem because this upward action already has erased this swing, and butterfly already has been erased. That's why its target is not really important for us. Also, market has tested deeply this confluence support and previous stops that we have. So the action that we suggested to see has been done. Also, it's important to see that, take a look, weekly pivot support 1 is held downward action. It means that market still stands in upward trend, and this is just retracement. Because the weekly pivot support 1 has been tested 2 times. First of all, when the market wasn't able to break through the weekly pivot point, it suggested deeper retracement. We have talked about it yesterday. So first time this market has tested the weekly pivot support 1 pullback, failed to move above the pivot point, and yes, it was happened again. So another test of the weekly pivot support 1, but right now market stands above the weekly pivot point and tells that the sentiment has shifted to the bullish side. That's why, since market stands still inside some consolidation, it seems that within the today's session probably market will show some minor retracement here, because as you can see, nicely bearish engulfing pattern has been formed. And that's why on the hourly chart we could get some kind of the A, B, C top, maybe D pattern, so somewhere in the area of 1228 fib support and retesting of this broken trend line. So market could show this some kind of downward action, at least until new data will be released today. We'll see what impact will follow. But in general, this action suggests that probably market is ready to show some upward continuation in the nearest time. Also, you can see this nicely looking bullish divergence. This divergence is important, guys, because it stands right at the confluence support on the 4-hour time frame chart. This is valuable divergence. So that being said, we think that in a few hours market probably will show some retracement, retest this broken line and reach the support, but till the end of the week maybe we will get some upward continuation here.